In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve more than 5,000 records of Dataverse in Power Automate using pagination. If you're looking to get more extensive data from your Dataverse tables, Power Automate provides a fantastic way to do this efficiently. By following these steps, you'll seamlessly access more than the standard limit of 5,000 records. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll need to configure the List Rows action in Power Automate. This is your primary action that queries the Dataverse table and starts the whole process. Open your Power Automate flow and add the Microsoft Dataverse List Rows action. You'll be prompted to select the table you want to query. For instance, if you're interested in the Accounts table, go ahead and select that. Now, there's an optional but highly recommended step where you can apply an OData filter to reduce the size of the dataset you're working with. This isn't mandatory, but it can significantly enhance the performance by narrowing down the results. For example, you might want to apply a filter like status code EQ1 if you're only interested in active records. Once you've set this up, you're ready to move on to the next and arguably the most crucial step in this process. The magic behind fetching more than the default 5,000 records lies in enabling pagination and setting the appropriate threshold. This is the part where you tell Power Automate to go beyond its default limits. First, locate the ellipsis, those three dots, on the List Rows action within your flow. Click on it and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see an option to enable pagination. Make sure to turn this toggle on. At this point, you'll need to specify a threshold to define the maximum number of records you wish to fetch. Remember, if you leave this blank, the default is set to 5,000, which won't help you if you need more. For most scenarios, you will want to set a value greater than 5,000. 10,000 or 50,000 might suit your needs, or even go up to the maximum allowed, which is 100,000 for the Dataverse connector. An important thing to note is that once pagination is enabled, Power Automate efficiently handles data fetching in batches of 5,000 records automatically. This means all you need to do is set the total desired limit in the threshold, and Automate will manage the rest, ensuring you receive all the data you've requested. When you're done, simply click Done to save your changes. And that's all there is to it. You've now configured your flow to pull more than 5,000 records using Power Automate's pagination feature. Thanks to these steps, accessing large amounts of data in Dataverse is no longer a hassle. With this setup, you can rely on Power Automate to bring in all of the data you need efficiently and effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out with questions or for further clarification. Happy automating!